It's giving grandma, it's giving librarian, it's giving not what I'm trying to give. When I saw this, I said, girl! Hey YouTube, it's your girl Julie Should Be. If this is your first time to my channel, make sure you subscribe below. Hit that like button. Girl, you already here, so you might as well go ahead and do it. Today we're doing a collective haul of a bunch of things I picked up for the fall. We got Shein, Pretty Little Thing, Macy's, and a couple more places. Everything will be listed in the description box below. All the links to everything I bought, and I'll see y'all at the end of the video. Okay, so the first thing I have is this black dress from Pretty Little Thing. It's a black denim, it's not a peplum style, maybe like a skater style dress, but it is denim, so cute. It is kind of short though, like I'm 5'3" and it's short on me, so if you like a tall girl, it's gonna be super short, so just keep that in mind. It does button all the way down the front, so you can definitely wear more open, which I will wear more open like this, or you can close it just to be more conservative. You can roll up the sleeves, whatever you want to do. I think it's so cute though. Like, I might wear this tonight. I want to see how cold it is. It's like a fall dress. Like, you can wear it when it's kind of cold, but like you still wear your legs out and be cute. But I wouldn't wear this if it was like super cold, because obviously it's like kind of short. But if you want to wear like with tights or whatever, you can. But I just really like this. It's cute, right? It's like girly vibes. It's girly vibes, and I am a girly vibe type of girl. Sometimes I try to give a little edge, but really I'm a girly girl. So this is cute, but the black denim is what's making it hit though. Like, you can see, thick black denim, so you definitely gonna be warm, but then it's short, so it's still like flirty. So yeah, next thing. So the next two things I have from Pretty Little Thing, I don't know if I'm necessarily wear these together, but they do kind of match, so that's why I was like, I put them on together just because I don't have any pants to wear with the sweater. But first we have the sweater. It's one of those open like V-cut sweaters with it has 3 buttons and a really big collar, which is cute to me. Like, I love that. But the back is long, so it's still, you know, you can give professional vibes with this on. Like, you could wear this to work for sure with like high-waisted pants, but I would probably dress it more like this with a skirt. And the skirt, y'all, I've been eyeing this skirt on Pretty Little Thing forever, and I kept putting it off. Honestly, I don't know why I didn't buy this damn skirt a long time ago, because look how cute it is. It's the perfect length. It's not too short, but it's not too long. It is a wrap style skirt, so it's definitely a little exposed, so I would wear like shorts, something under it, just in case, because it's like actually a skirt. It's not a skirt. So one little fly, one little wind, baby, you're gonna be showing something you don't want people to see. Okay, so next we have Shein. So I got this light blue, like periwinkle color dress. It's a bodycon dress. Now my idea was to wear this with like brown boots and maybe some tights and like my brown suede jacket or like a trench coat. So that's why I got it, because it's not really like fall, but I feel like it can be fall if I dress it like fall. So, and it's actually a really good quality dress. Like, Shein, sometimes Shein do not be hitting the way it's supposed to hit, but then, you know, you can't really ask for much because it's cheap. But this dress actually is really good quality, really good stretch. It's not like cheap feeling. The sleeves come all the way down. It's like a really good length. It's not too short, but it's not too long, and the neck is perfect color, so I'm feeling it. I'm definitely gonna dress it up for fall. Remember that if this is your first time here, if you want to see me style these outfits, like actually wear them in real life, you need to follow me on Instagram at Julie Should Be. So the next one, which I came across because I don't have any pants to put on with this, I just got this oversized, it's not oversized, it's just a regular size crew neck. It's a really soft, it's like really soft crew neck material. It's not too thick, but it's like kind of like, you know, it's not like you're gonna burn up, but you know, you might not want to wear a bunch of layers with this one. So it just says Palm Springs. I really got it for the color. Like, I thought the color was super cute. And I don't have anything blue. Like, I just don't buy blue. That's why I bought that blue. Like, I don't buy blue. I just buy a whole bunch of damn black. So I thought this was a good little buy, baby. And I think I'm gonna wear it with like a skirt. And that'd be cute, right? Right. I mean, it's just a crew neck. It's like, see, Shein has 1,000 of these in 1,000 different colors and 1,000 different styles. So get you some. And I'm pretty sure it was cheap because I only buy cheap stuff from Shein. Okay, so now we have a couple things from Macy. So I got this really high quality sweater dress. I think I got in size 1X because they just look kind of like, I wanted it to be a good length. I didn't want it to be super long. And I think that sometimes they make a bigger size, but it's definitely just longer. So I got it in a 1X just so it'll fit the way I want it to fit. And I think it's perfect. I'm gonna wear, I can't wait to wear this. It does have a gold zipper. I love the gold details. Like the gold zipper really makes it look like expensive. And I love that the sleeves are caps. Like the sleeves are closed, so it has like a sweater material right here, but it like closes on the sleeves so your arms don't get cold in the winter. Now it's short, so I would wear this with some black tights or some boots. Some black tights and some boots. I love it. You can even belt it and make it like more, you know, sexy or whatever, but you can definitely dress this up or down. Collar is really big, so like you can zip it all the way up and it'll be like really high neck, or you can make it low and then the collar is still really big. So absolutely love. Right. I mean, right. So this is also from Macy's. I think that this is actually supposed to be a jacket, but because I looked at it online, I bought it in store, but I was looking online on Macy's and I saw online it said it was supposed to be a jacket, but I thought it was supposed to be a dress. So I think that I'm gonna wear it as both. I think I might wear it as a dress sometimes, and I might actually put it over my clothes like a long jacket. But it's so fire, like fire, and it's flattering. It's not like super tight, but it fits good, and the titties is not like busting open. You know, some stuff like some leather stuff in me don't really work out that well, but I really like this. It's not that short to where like you can't wear like anywhere. It's not too short to where it's giving club, but it's still cute. So I thought it was like a really good thing to buy. And the leather is not super shiny. It's just like kind of flat, but it still looks good. This brand is called Black Tape. I think it's a newer brand they have in Macy's. I've never seen it in Macy's before, and I shop at Macy's often, and normally I just don't even look at the clothes because most of their clothes is giving grandma, it's giving librarian, it's giving not what I'm trying to give. When I saw this, I said, girl, look like something I like. So yes, baby, love it. So the last couple items I got are from Diet & Co. And y'all, these jeans are freaking fire. They wide leg jeans. And I don't think you can see the bottom, but they like actually super wide leg. So flattering. They're from the brand. I don't know. I can't tell. But it'll be in the description below. It's not on the tag. And this bodysuit is from Maywell. Best bodysuit I have ever worn. It's like really stretchy, but not like loose and cheap stretchy, just like stretchy in a good way, and it's stretchy long ways and not just to the side. I absolutely love the jeans. Like the jeans are by far my favorite thing in this whole haul. Now they are super long. I'm only 5'2", 5'3", so I definitely have to wear heels with these. These are definitely heel jeans. And the last thing I got from Diane Co is this shacket from Molly Isadora. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, Diane Co is more of an expensive brand. Like it is on the higher end, but the quality is always fire. So I love it, right? I wish I would have got a 3X. It would have been bigger, but this is still cute. Like I still like it. I wish it was bigger though. I should have got a 3X, but it's giving what it's supposed to give. But I wore this the other no, but I just want to show y'all like the little sheepy material. So yeah, that's that, baby. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you like my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel below. Follow me on Instagram. This video thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.